AM 560. The Answer.
You know, we've all been shocked by the pictures coming out of Atlanta, Amy. People stranded by the blizzard of the century down there.
The whole 2.4 inches.
Authorities are beginning to finally reach the victims of the White Death. And some heart-wrenching stories are emerging here this morning.
Okay.
One rescuer found the final note from a man to his wife, scribbled on the back of a Waffle House receipt. And we have it for you this morning.
My dearest Brandine, we are surrounded by automobiles made useless under an oppressive layer of 2 inches of snow. We are running low on provisions, and the 4 of us have decided that we will use Steve as an alternative food source if help does not arrive soon. Jimmy Ray claims that it will taste like Chick-fil-A, but nothing tastes as good as Chick-fil-A. All my love, Billy Ray.
Sad. Sad what those poor people are going through.